Hi, this video is for you if you have a non-responsive email list or you're new to the internet marketing world and you have a list and you don't know what to do with it. Well, here's the deal. If increasing your engagement and building a relationship with your new subscriber is one of your ultimate goals, well then keep on watching. Welcome back. If we haven't met yet before, my name is Sylvia and I'm an online marketing strategist helping beginners improve their email and affiliate marketing business. So now you have an email list. You need to act fast because if not, your subscribers are going to forget about you. This is also known as a stale, cold, and dead list. So if you fall under these categories, don't worry, I've got you covered. Subscribe to my channel so that you can get more videos like these so that you can improve your email marketing skills. So if you're ready to get started, give me a like and let's get started. The first thing you need to do is target unopened emails. When I first started collecting them, I did not do that. I didn't know how to segment. I didn't know how to do any of that. So what I kept doing is making the mistake of sending emails after emails without realizing that a lot of people were not opening, they were not engaging. So what you should do instead is target all of those unopened emails by resending that same email that you sent out by making a few tweaks to the subject line is what you need to begin with. Tweaking the subject line is probably all it takes in most cases, and that's because sometimes that subject line does not resonate with your subscriber. So why is this important? When people decide whether to open your email or not, one factor they consider is usually, is the email relevant to them? Well, your subject lines are like your ads and your YouTube thumbnails, so it has to be compelling to entice them to open your mail. In addition, learning to segment your list and adding tags based on their behavior. Some examples of behaviors are if they purchase, then you'll want to put those people in a purchase list, so that way you can tackle them with different emails. And if they downloaded your freebie, then you'll want to do the same procedure, is basically segment each one based on their behavior. Most autoresponders have free training on how to segment your new list. And my favorite choice of email platform is Getresponse. It's easy for beginners and it can grow with you at times so you can learn all of those additional features at your own pace. So if you want to give Getresponse a try, there is a free 30-day trial down below in the resources, and that is an affiliate link, so I'd appreciate it if you use it. If not, you can go straight to getresponse.com and take advantage of their free 30 days and free training. Let me know down in the comments if this is making sense, or how do you tackle unopened emails? What do you begin with? What tweaks do you make? Tip number 2 is bombarding your email list. Let me break it to you this way. That is a thing of the past. People just don't fall for that anymore. Instead, what you should do is build a relationship with your subscriber first. Deliver the help that they are in desperate need of, which is why they subscribe to you in the first place. So what do you do with subscribers that have gone cold completely and they're just dead? Don't worry, I've put together a free 7-day email marketing audit to help improve your open rate and rekindle the spark that they once had when they opted in. You can sign up in the resources below. And tip number 3 is, how welcoming is your welcome email? Are you using it effectively? Because if you were anything like me when I first started, I wrote it up so fast and never went back to check it to see if it was still serving its purpose. And that's a shame because this first email has the highest open rate of any email that you're going to send out. It is seen by just about every single person that signed up to your list. This is a great place to set expectations. You can greatly improve your future open rates if you let them know what's coming and why they don't want to miss out on it. Other examples is let them know what day of the week you're going to be sending out your emails or newsletters, and don't forget to introduce yourself. Tip number 4 is clean up your list, aka list hygiene. You can do this by removing subscribers that are no longer engaged with you after you've done everything in your power to re-engage them. But don't delete your subscribers just yet. Make sure you take my 7-day email audit challenge to make sure that we've tackled every angle before you say goodbye. That link is down below. If you must delete, don't be mad at your subscribers. Sometimes it's a mistake on our part. We failed to engage our subscribers. But this usually happens when we don't have the right knowledge and skills to engage our subscribers, but we've got to start somewhere, and that's how we learn. Now, tip number 5 is give away your best stuff. Now, a lot of marketers are scared to do this. They think that if they give away their best stuff, no one's going to buy from them. You know, they've already given me all the information. You know, why would I go buy? So they're scared to give away their best stuff. But in reality, It's quite the opposite. Think of it this way: your paycheck is in direct proportion with how much value you provide. So you provide little, you'll probably get little in return. So keep that in mind. So you can do this by sending out an email to your subscribers saying, thank you for being a loyal subscriber. For a limited time, I have this free PDF or free course, and normally costs, $100, $60, whatever it is that it costs. And for a limited time, it's yours free. So take advantage of it. It will expire on X day. And that's just a few examples. That's what I do in my email marketing. Tip number 6 is pitch with value. So in other words, if you're going to sell to your subscribers, make sure that you lead with value, because some marketers are all about just sell, sell, sell. And I'm sure that you've got marketers in your inbox right now that are every day in your inbox trying to sell you something, trying to shove something down your throat. While very few make a great living off of this, but for total beginners, this is not the way to start. Because if you haven't mastered the art of selling, then this is going to be really difficult for you if you're just a beginner. Instead, what you should do is master the art of building a herd and a relationship with them first. So next time that you try to sell in your email, make sure that you lead with value. Give them some kind of training that's relevant to the product or service that you're trying to promote. Because as much as we want them to buy, you always have to make it about your subscribers' needs. What's in it for them? Tip number 7 is survey, and survey some more. A lot of email list owners use surveys a lot, but they use them ineffectively. They don't offer an incentive. So think about it. They took time out of their busy schedule to take your surveys. So why not offer them something free or something in return for taking that survey? Have you ever run out of ideas on what to write or what kind of content to produce? Well, a survey can do just that for you. So for example, if you send out a survey, this is a great way to get ideas on what their struggles are, what their needs are. These are great ideas to create content around. Apart from getting great ideas for your next piece of art, another thing that you're going to be doing is building your KLT. They're going to be getting to know, like, and trust you. So your business revenue will be going up as people will get to know you and trust you more. Next time that you send out a survey, make sure you also send it with an incentive. I hope these tips have helped you in your email marketing journey. And if you've enjoyed this video, make sure to give me a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like these. I have a video coming out soon on how to revive a stale email list. So hit the notification bell so that you can get notified when it's uploaded. In the meantime, go watch some of these videos so that you can continue to learn how to build your business asset. Until next time, take care.